my skin, and my skin shows no signs of aging as of now, touch wood. And I think meditation plays a very important role in that. Someone who meditates a lot, you will always see that their face have immense amount of glow and ingredients and actives that actually works in age reversing. There have been a lot of studies. Compare yourself with your idol. You can reach to that level step by step with continuous efforts, with continuous hard work, but that will not happen in one day. And uh, Hi everyone, today's video is about habits that you can incorporate in your life if you want to become youthful forever, especially for all the ladies who want to become a timeless beauty so that time cannot change your beauty and your youthfulness. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So my first point is basically unhealthy comparison with others. There is a very thin line between healthy comparison and unhealthy comparisons. Unhealthy comparison is something when you are sitting at your home on a couch or a sofa and you are comparing yourself with someone who is on social media looking like this or this and thinking that my body is not good enough, that person looks so well, without making any effort, without making even single step, and without doing anything. You're just constantly comparing yourself with other people on social media. This is a very unhealthy comparison, by the way. If you are an employee of a company and you are looking at the vice president of that company and thinking that that person is coming in an Audi or a Ferrari and look what I have got, I'm comparing yourself with someone who is on the top, and you haven't even started, or you have just started, and who you don't know what kind of sacrifices they have done to reach that position. You don't know what kind of hard work is something that they have done on a continuous basis with consistent efforts. Only then you can go to a position like that. You have to be like very consistent, you have to be like very positive in order to achieve something. If you have set a goal, you have to constantly go through a ladder step by step in order to achieve that position. And if you are not doing any of that and you are sitting at your couch and thinking, oh my god, ye log bahut अच्छे hain, inki life bahut अच्छी. Even blessed people also have their different kind of problems that you can't think of. The comparison should always be with your own self. It's okay to have ideals, but you cannot compare yourself with your idol. You can reach to that level step by step with continuous efforts, with continuous hard work, but that will not happen in one day. And okay, so if you are also doing these kind of unhealthy comparisons, then please stop it right away. Moving to the second point, which is negative self-talk. We all do it, we all girls do it, and I was also like one of them. I always used to say a lot of negative things about my life. My life is not that great, my face is not as beautiful as these girls, and my life is bad. I used to be like that, but my mother recently joined meditation group, and they also help you a lot with positive affirmations. So the moment she joined that group, she becomes extremely positive. She started doing positive affirmations. So what is a positive affirmation, by the way? It is like you are saying positive things throughout the day. For example, I'm so beautiful, my life is so good, I have a home, I can eat good meals 3 times a day, I have a great job, my colleagues are very good, I have someone who loves me a lot, I have my parents and my parents loves me a lot. When you think about all of that now, you have so many good things in your life, and you keep blabbering about that one negative thing and forgetting all the positive things in your life. And we all do it at all phases of our life, but the moment we stop thinking about that one negative thing, start like focusing on all the positive things, our life changes in a very positive way. And this is like very proven these days that people are saying that the more positive you say, the more positivity you will attract in your life, and the more negative you say, the more negativity you will attract in your life. So this is something also, this also works like a manifestation as well. Like, I am also becoming like that from last 1 year, where I'm continuously like focusing on positive things in my life and neglecting and ignoring all the negativity and the negative part. And the next point is actually not taking 8 hours of sleep, and this is something ladies don't focus a lot on. And I just want to say that if you're not taking 8 hours of sleep, then I don't know how you're gonna maintain a youthful skin, because 8 hours of sleep is very important for resetting our brain cells, for resetting our body, for resetting the muscle if you're doing continuous exercise, and our skin also rejuvenate when we are sleeping. So it's important that you take 8 hours of sleep. So बेटर स्लीप के लिए जो टिप्स मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ वो ये है कि जब भी आप सोते हैं तो अपना जो नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर होता है रूम का, उससे थोड़ा कम कर दें. यू कैन यूज़ कूलर और एसी फॉर दैट रीज़न. विंटर्स में तो ऑलरेडी कम ही होता है, बट फॉर समर्स यू कैन यूज़ एसी और कूलर, एंड विद दैट यू कैन टेक अ कोजी ब्लैंकेट विद यू. दैट विल एक्चुअली गिव्स यू अ डीप स्लीप्स. तो एक होता है स्लीप, एक होता है डीप स्लीप. स्लीप वो होता है जिसमें आप सोते हो, वेयर छोटी सी भी हार्ट होती है, छोटी सी भी आवाज़ होती है तो आपकी आंखें खुल जाती हैं. डीप स्लीप इज़ वेयर जो की ही होती है जिसमें आप बहुत गहरी नींद में होते हो एंड कुछ भी आवाज़ होगी, शोर होगा तो एकदम से आपकी आंखें नहीं, इस टाइम पे क्या होता है, कोई सपना नहीं आता है, कुछ नहीं आता है, बॉडी इज इन अ कंटिन्यूस लाइक रेस्ट मोड, लाइक प्रॉपर रेस्ट मोड, एंड डीप स्लीप इज एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रीसेटिंग आवर एंटायर बॉडी एंड ऑल्सो रिड्यूस एनी काइंड ऑफ ब्लू लाइट, रेड लाइट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम। एंड आप स्लीप मोड ऑन कर दो अगर आप फोन यूज़ कर रहे हो, बट इट इज़ ऑलवेज लाइक एडवाइजेबल टू अवॉइड एनी काइंड ऑफ गैजेट राइट बिफोर योर स्लीप। सो अगर आप 10 बजे सोते हो तो आप 8 बजे के बाद अपने सारे गैजेट्स को यूज़ करना बंद कर दो। दैट इज़ द बेस्ट एडवाइस फॉर बेटर स्लीप। सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज बेसिकली skipping sunscreen. I know a lot of people do that, and if you are skipping sunscreen, I don't think so you can actually ever have a youthful skin. Sunscreen is very proven and evident. Sunscreen reduces the signs of aging. It helps you with wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, age spots, dark spots, and acne. That people who apply sunscreen on a daily basis looks way younger than their actual age, and there have been a lot of studies about people who looks actually way younger than their age. So there have been people who are actually like 50 but they looks like 30 just because they were continuously applying sunscreen from last 20 to 30 years. It's not that actually the sunscreen is actually helping in the reversing or anything like that. It's just the damage is not there because you are blocking it with the help of a sunscreen. And screen, not screen, skin, and even your phone also have some lights that will have damage on your face. So make sure even if you are at home you are applying enough amount of general sunscreen on your face. So the next step is age reversing. I know this is something that we often neglect a lot, but this is something very proven, and for that the only thing that works is either retinol or tretinoin. Retinol and tretinoin both are very proven ingredients and actives that actually works in age reversing. There have been a lot of studies that showcase that retinol actually reverses the signs of aging, and I am a example myself. I have been using retinol from last 5 years, and retinol is something that you can start if you are a beginner, and retinol is something that will be too harsh if you are a beginner. Retinol is for someone who is already exposed to retinol. So if you are new to skincare journey, start with retinol 0.2%. Apply it only 2 to 3 times a week, and don't apply it in the morning. Retinol and tretinoin both should be applied only in the इवनिंग एंड टॉप अप करो उसको एक बहुत अच्छे थिक मॉइस्चराइजर के साथ. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ सैंडविच मेथड वेयर यू आर यूजिंग फर्स्ट लेयर of moisturizer, second layer of retinol, and then also ending it up with another layer of moisturizer in the end. So let me know if retinol worked for you, because it definitely worked for my skin, and my skin shows no signs of aging as of now, touch wood. So now coming to my next point, which is meditation. I think meditation really helps a lot in relieving your stress, calming down your body, and I know this might be a little confusing to you, like meditation, how can it help? I think meditation is very powerful and we often neglect it. Meditation plays a very important role in calming your mind, in resetting your brain. Resetting your brain is something which is very important in today's world, because we are constantly feeding our mind with so much of things which are happening throughout the day, and this is a very fast paced world where everything is moving in a very fast speed, and there is no time to reset our brain. And I think meditation plays a very important role in that. Someone who meditates a lot, you will always see that their face have immense amount of glow, and their body is more fit, their brain works more sharper, and someone who is meditating, you will see they have some amount of glow on their face, and that glow is like permanent. This is not something that is like external. They haven't applied any serum, or it is coming from within, and it is so visible, it is so evident, it is so natural to them. This is something that I have recently discovered, that when you focus on yourself, when you focus on your issues, earlier I used to see like because maybe people around me are not good, nobody is helping me out, and मेरे friends ऐसे थे, मेरे maybe my relatives are not that good. Actually everyone is so perfect in their own way. It's just you have not put your feet in their shoes. You don't act like you know everything about the other person. Just be a little more relaxed, little more positive towards everyone else around you. This is it for today's video. If you like the video, please give a like button, and do also let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this video and the topic that I have covered. And do let me know in the comment section below कि आप क्या सोचते हो, क्या और points हो सकते हैं जो शायद हम कवर कर सकते हैं या मैं कवर कर सकती थी. इतने पॉइंट्स ये वो थे जो मुझे लगे बहुत ज़्यादा मेरी लाइफ में इम्पैक्ट आया इनकी वजह से, और जो मैंने शायद इंप्लीमेंट किया अपनी लाइफ में, इनके लिए मुझे ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ा. बट आई एम श्योर ऐसे कुछ पॉइंट्स आपकी लाइफ में भी होंगे जो आपने अपनी लाइफ में इंप्लीमेंट किए होंगे, जिससे आपकी लाइफ बेहतर हुई होगी और चेंज हुई होगी. तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना, एंड अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है देन प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Bye bye.